Hi guys, welcome. So today's video introduction is going to be very short. Today is a review day for you guys. You have a test tomorrow. Let's get started on talking about how you can review today. So if you go home, you go to modules. Today we will have, you could see the exam is already there. I'll open it on Thursday when you're ready for it, but we're looking at the review. You've got a wonderful quiz that you can join. Again, you click it, it'll bring up your name. If you've done it before, it's going to put your name in. You'll click start and you'll do it. Once you finish, take a screenshot of your score. I'm not grading for accuracy here, but just know that this is a tool you can use to study over and over again to really understand all about biotechnology and kind of see what areas you might need to study a little bit more. We are going to be having a Zoom review session, which I have been told is very helpful when we do these, to go over things that you might need to know, clear up anything that you don't quite understand or you need some help on, and maybe even see a couple of the questions from the test. Okay, so join us for the Zoom if you're watching this. If not, I will record it, but being there to be able to ask your questions is a wonderful experience and very helpful. All right, when you finish your quizzes, screenshot it, turn it in. If you're joining us for the Zoom and you're watching this before 11 a.m., you're going to need a pencil or something to write with and a piece of paper or something to write on. It could be type notes, doesn't matter so much, but we'll be doing lots of good stuff that you're going to want to write down. All right, have a good day. Study for your quiz. I'll have another video to introduce you to the exam tomorrow. Goodbye.